What if I tell you that you can edit videos for social media with your mobile? In my previous videos, I demonstrated easy ways to edit or create videos through the mobile app called InVideo Filmer. Adobe's Premiere Rush is a great alternative video editor for content creation. If you're on the go and use mobile, Premiere Rush shines when used with its mobile app. Premiere Rush is an application for quick edits on videos for those who have little to no prior experience. Adobe Premiere Rush is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud, but you can use the free version as well. For this tutorial, we are creating the projects using the mobile version. Download from Google Play or Apple Store. For the free version, you are entitled to the following. This is highly useful for video professionals who travel a lot and out and about. Creators can create videos for social posts right on their mobile phones. Adobe Premiere Rush is a powerful video editing app that is designed to make video editing easy and accessible for everyone. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the basics of using Adobe Premiere Rush mobile app and show you how to create a simple video project from start to finish. Once you have downloaded, open the Adobe Premiere Rush app. Click on the plus sign to create new project. The next step is to input your media files into the project. Once selected, the app will compile the clips into the timeline. So as you can see from the screen, it looks squished, so you can use your fingers to widen the blocks to make it more visible. We can make edits on the first scene by clicking on the block. There, you can split or delete. You can even duplicate the scene, or you can even separate audio to remove the original audio from the clip. Start doing the same thing for the rest of the blocks. You can even arrange the scenes according to your own preference. Adobe Premiere Rush mobile app has a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easier to add and edit your video clips. You can trim your clips, add transitions, adjust the color and audio. So for this example, I can make a simple transition. I can even tweak the color according to the intensity and exposure or contrast. So for this example, I'm gonna add a simple title as an introduction. We're gonna add this to the timeline, edit the text. For this video, let's increase the range speed. Let's preview once again. Premiere Rush also has a selection of royalty-free music. Premiere Rush offers a selection of various tracks and loops that you can add to your project. So for this example, I'm going to choose this audio. Add music to your video to enhance the mood and create a more immersive experience for your viewers. So let's click on the audio file, import the music files into your project and add them to your video sequence. Click Add. This will allow you to import the music file into your project. So do the necessary edit so that it will sync the audio file to your project. And let's preview one more time. Alternatively, you can also include a voiceover for your project. Simply click on the record button or the red icon over here. Click on it. Air Jordan's exhibit presents a one-day sneakers and shoes showcase at the Art Science Museum. Check it out now. Let's preview one more time. Air Jordan's exhibit presents a one-day sneakers and shoes showcase at the Art Science Museum. Check it out now. Once you have finished editing your video, it's time to export. To do this, tap on the Export button on the top right hand corner of the screen. This will open up a window where you can select the settings for your exported project. Click on here and let's select 1080 30 fps or 30 frames per second. Once you have selected your settings, tap on the export button to export your video. And Premiere Rush will render the video within 1 minute. The video is already saved to my smartphone, but alternatively you can share it on your Instagram, promote it on TikTok. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create a basic video project using Adobe Premiere Rush mobile app. Of course, there are many more advanced features and techniques that you can explore. If you like today's tutorial, give us a like for more content like this, and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel.